Alright, y'all. Break number 112, guys. 112. 5 cases of Topps Midnight. Guys, 5 cases. Be a long recap. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful product. Topps does not let you down, bro, ever. Here we go. We got a Brock Bowers to 99. We got a Drake May Bo Nix numbered to 50. We got a Caleb Williams numbered to 99. Star-studded Walter Payton on the negative there to 20. Nightball AR numbered to 12, first print. Midnight Blake Corum to 149. Fred Taylor to 25. Jerry Rice to 75 on the Lunar Tide. Austin Reed to 50. Star-studded Lloyd to 25. Brendan Rice to 20. Donovan McNabb to 75. Amendola to 25. Star-studded to 35. Trey Benson. Danny Amendola to 75. Michael Vick to 99. Tony Dorsett to 149. Will Levis to 99. Constellations there. Ed McCaffrey. Luke McCaffrey goes to Luke there to 99. We got a Nightball numbered to 99. Braylon Trice numbered to 149. Star-studded. Brett Favre to 35. Jalen Wright, 5 of 5 on that gold. Nightball, John Elway to 75. Tyler Nubin to 25. Star-studded to 35. Drew Brees. Spencer Rattler on the Lunar Tide numbered to 99. Bud Means numbered to 35. Lawrence Taylor numbered to 12. Bucky Irvin to 149. Leggett to 25. Fred Taylor to 75. Jerry Rice to 50. Donovan McNabb to 99. We got a Xavier Leggett to 35. Troy Aikman to 149. We got a J.C. Latham there to 75. Malik Neighbors on the Star Stud to 99. We got a Constellations there. Bryce Young, Xavier Leggett to 75. We got another one. That one's to 99. We got a Joe Montana, Steve Young, numbered to 3, 2 to 3. We got a Drake May, numbered to 12 on the Star Studded. We got a Drake May, numbered to 75 on the Star Studded. We got a Caleb Williams on the Nightball, numbered to 75. Caleb Williams, numbered to 12. Here comes Auto Town. Auto Century. Here we go. Troy Franklin. We got Larry Johnson. We got a Spencer Rattler on the Strokes of Midnight. Fred Billette on the Strokes of Midnight there. Xavier Leggett. We got Audric Estime. We got a Michael Pratt on the Stroke of Midnight. We got a Jason Sehorn to 75. We got Xavier Worthy. We got a Randall Cunningham numbered to 12. We got Donnie Mitchell. We got a Malachi Corley on the rookie jersey. We got a Troy Franklin. We got a Richard Dent. Earl Campbell. We got a J-Mac numbered to 99. Will Shipley. LeGarrette. Luke Mack numbered to 35. We got a Luke Mack. Charlie Batch. Will Shipley. Dennis Smith to 99. Got a Tavondre Sweat. Johnny Wilson. Joe Theismann there. Adonai Mitchell to 75. We got a Strokes of Midnight. Rod Woodson. Troy Franklin. We got a Strokes of Midnight to 99. Joe Thomas. Strokes of Midnight. Delaney Walker to 50. Jalen Wright on the horizontal there. Terrell Suggs. Leroy Butler. Latu there. Tavion Sanders. We got a Strokes of Midnight. Richard Dent. Luke Kuechly. And a Brendan Rice. We got a Dante Hall. Malik Neighbors. Chop Robinson. Tyler Nubin. Leroy Butler to 99. Howie Long to 25. Champ Bailey to 99. Troy Franklin. We got a Delaney Walker numbered to 75. Jalen Wright numbered to 12. We got a Marvin to 75. Jalen Wright. Roger Staubach to 75. We got a Brendan Rice on the rookie jersey. Michael Vick numbered to 99. Hakeem Nicks. Reggie Wayne. Bo Nix. Terran Arnold. Chop Robinson rookie jersey. Michael Pratt on the Stroke of Midnight. AR on the Stroke of Midnight. We got a Bucky Irvin Leroy Butler, Doug Flutie, Jalen Wright. We got a Chris Braswell to 75, Johnny Wilson to 99. Dennis Smith to 35, Chris Long to 99, Keon Coleman. We got a Rakestraw stroke, Troy Franklin, Ron Jaworski, Tony Dorsett to 99, Nate Wiggins to 50, Billy Sims, Caleb Williams to 75. We got Arian Foster, Tyler Newman, Andre Rison, Tyler Newman, D'Amico Ryans, Malik Neighbors, Brennan Rice to 99, Denard Robinson, Jason Taylor to 25, Jatavion Sanders, D'Amico to 75, bookend, nice one there. Kayshawn Johnson to 75, Vince Young, Tvondre Sweat, Spencer Rattler, Audric, Cole Beasley to 99, Ennis Rakestraw, Amon Green, Kurt Warner, Marvin Harrison, CJ Stroud, Bo Nix, first print to 35, Luke Kuechly to 75, Bucky Irvin to 35, star-studded Trey Benson, Phil Sims to 149, Hartman to 75, Jace McEllen to 149, Bucky to 99, Luke Mack to 149, Carter Bradley to 75, Bishop to 149, Murphy to 149, Constellations, Breeze Archie, Rob Gronk to 50, Joe Alt to 99, Phil Sims to 99, Gronk to 99, Troy Fatanu to 149, Joe Alt to 35. We got a Bub Means to 50, Caleb Williams to 99, Blake Corum to 149, Constellations Quinion Cooper, number to 99, Midnight Tony Dorsett, Rattler to 149, Cowing to 50, Bucky Irving number to 50, Ricky P, Caleb Williams, Jaden Daniels, Brett Favre number to 12, Will Levis number to 99, Jordan Love number to 50, Bo Nix number to 99, Caleb Williams number to 75, rookie jersey, Drake May number to 75, rookie jersey, Drake May number to 35, rookie jersey, Braden Rice rookie jersey, Marshawn Lloyd the 35, rookie jersey, Keon Coleman rookie jersey, Marshawn Lloyd rookie jersey, Marshawn Lloyd the 99 rookie jersey, Trey Benson the 12 on the rookie jersey, J Mac the 75 on the rookie jersey, Bucky to 99 rookie jersey, and a Brock Bowers to 20 on the white and black there. It's fucking sweet, bro. Probably my favorite one from the... And then we have all of our case hits here. 5 case hits. We got a Dream Chaser, Ricky P. We got a Jason Witten on the Moonfall. Brock Bowers on the Moonfall. Bryce Young on the Moonfall. And a Dallas Turner